Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, in today's news we are speaking about Cassper Nyovest. You know, he posted this picture on his Instagram and people came blazing for him. He posted these pictures with these black outfits. I don't see anything wrong with this outfit. Like, really guys, I really don't see anything wrong. But fans are really not happy. Hey, he was roasted and roasted in a comment section. Let's look at the comment section. So the first person says, "It's giving gay model vibes." Then Cassper replied and said, "Tlapang spoon pili boys, let's start there." Basically saying they should start bathing properly before they can start criticizing him, you know. Then someone said, "BBL Cassper." Like, I don't know guys, is this picture giving BBL vibes? Then someone said, "Happy Pride," and posted the pride flag. Batung, I don't know guys here. And then people continued Kesana to comment. Someone said, "Delete the first picture." Guys, the first picture that I showed you, do you guys think Vele is giving flaginyana? Because I don't see anything wrong. He was just walking there, you know. And then someone also said, "A South Bedi on," hey, people also said, "Looking like a Kardashian." Ha, wema. And someone said, "First light is not make sure." Guningi, you know, Guningi. Yeah, no, people came for Cassper. And then another comment said, "First photo got so messy vibes." And someone said, I thought I was tweaking for a second. Guys, I don't know, man. And people are saying Bangian a rich auntie, you know. And someone said, is giving a rich aunt vibes. And then he just continued with his life, posted the video. Hey, I don't know guys, please look at this outfit clearly. But like, I feel like people don't like Cassper ever since he got married. People are just not liking him anymore, you know, because he didn't marry his baby mama. So people they are no longer on his side these days. Like, he's getting roasted like nobody's business. You guys can go and check on his Instagram and also check on Facebook. People are just coming for him. I don't know, maybe it's the back, guys. Look at the back. Look at this back. I really don't know. Hey, I don't know. I don't want to say it's giving what. I'm just saying look at the back. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like this video.